What's up, guys? My name is Wayne. Welcome back to TYROLIFE. Now today I have 3 steps to getting any woman that you want. Now this can just be any girl that you have a crush on. It can just be having a whole bunch of different options, or it can be something like finding your soulmate. Now I've been getting a lot of requests for female attraction and just getting girls like type videos, type of content. Obviously this is a fitness channel, but hey, I thought I would at least give you guys some of my advice, because I used to always struggle with women, with girls, especially whenever I was in high school. So let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, first of all, if you are new to the channel, I love if you hit that little subscribe button. I'm growing an awesome fitness and self-development community on this channel. Be sure to like the video as well to help support me and my channel and push this video out into the YouTube algorithm. Let's go. Alright guys, step number 1 is going to be you have to love yourself. Now everything in this universe, man, is a reflection of yourself and your energy. So if you do not do the inner work and really learn how to love yourself. Now what this means is, for example, like if you're not able to sit alone in a room by yourself, no distractions, no friends, no family, nobody around, and it's very painful for you to just be alone or look at yourself in the mirror and just really admire your fucking self, man. Or just admire how far you've come, like your journey, how much pride that you put into yourself. If you're not at that point, man, you do not love yourself. So if you are searching for love, if you're searching to have all these girls, man, you will end up feeling unfulfilled, because you will just be attracting girls who mean no good for you. You will be attracting girls who do not love themselves, narcissistic women who won't do anything advantageous towards your life. So step 1, you have to recognize the king, the young prince that you are, man. You've got to really put in the work to love yourself. And most people, man, everyone has what's known as childhood traumas, things that really mess with you as a kid, man. Like I was overweight and I always had abandonment issues growing up. So like you have to really go back deep and like fix the root of these issues, man. It sounds very intense, but yeah, before you really consider dating, before you consider getting a girlfriend, getting all these different girls, man, you have to learn to love yourself, so that at that point you can attract a partner who loves themselves, so that you two can love each other and build up upon a very solid foundation, rather than 2 people hating each other, hating themselves, and becoming codependent on one another. That's just going to end up toxic, and it's going to be a never-ending cycle. So the first way to break out of that, man, don't look for a girlfriend, don't look for girls, don't look for a relationship. You need to focus on yourself. You need to learn how to love yourself. This is step number 1. Okay guys, step 2 to getting any woman that you want. You have to be high value, man. Go watch my last video about how to become a high value man. But here's the thing. If you're like the 99% of men, you are not high value. You are just an average dude going around chasing women, chasing. You are going to just end up as a simp, completely down bad, you know? So you have to stop all of this dead in its tracks, because 10% of the men date 90% of the women. So if you are wanting more girls, if you're wanting to have more opportunities like that with women, you have to become 10% to begin with. So what this means is, man, you have to build a physique. You have to have a 6-pack. You have to look good shirtless, man. You have to be super lean and look like a male model, like a Greek god. You have to have your bag in order, man. It's embarrassing trying to date, take a woman out, and you don't have enough money to pay for both of you guys. Like, if you do not have all these things in order, man, don't think about dating. And the thing is, what's really cool is you'll notice once you start going down this path of becoming a high value man, you're increasing your knowledge, man. You're following your passion, you're following your heart, like doing exactly what you want to do in life and creating your life of freedom, your life of your dreams. Women are attracted to that. They want that, man, because all these other guys, they are suffering. They are working these jobs they hate. They're not doing anything extraordinary. They're all overweight. 67% of Americans, men, are overweight or obese. Fucking insane. Like, literally just getting shredded automatically puts you in the 10%. Get shredded, get your bag, chase your purpose, whatever it is. You need to become high value before you even think about dating, before you think about girls. And once you start this path, you need to be on nofap too. If you're watching porn and doing that is high value men don't do that, okay? That's a big one. So you need to become high value men, or else you don't really have an opportunity in the dating field. So once you become high value, then it's literally you're just pick and choose who you want. I don't want to sound cocky, man, but literally I just reject people at this point. Like, I don't even care. Like, I don't have to go out seeking anything, man. I don't even have to approach girls. Like, it just happens, and I just pick and choose who I want. That's pretty much how it goes. So that's the level that you need to get to, man. You need to get to that level to where you can reject anybody that you want, and you don't even care because you've got 10 more people lined up, you know? So this is step 2. You have to become a high value alpha man who just does not care, chases his dreams, has the bag, has the physique, has all of it, because women are obsessed with that, man. And if you don't have it and you start dating a woman, whenever they come across a man who does have it, it's not gonna be good, man. That's step 2. Phase 3. All right, so now you love yourself, man. Now you are a high value man, but some high value men still are out there chasing women. Now there's this ancient duality known as yin and yang. I'm sure you've heard of it. But essentially, here's the thing, man. Most women are used to being pursued. They are used to men chasing after them. That is the duality that they're used to. So whenever you break this cycle, and instead of you chasing them, you make them chase you. Because you, my guy, my king, you are the prize. You are the one with more value in the connection. You are the one who makes more money. You are the one who looks better and can attract more potential mates because you have put the work into yourself. So now all these different women, whoever you want, man, they are chasing you because you have value within yourself. You have confidence within yourself. You are not afraid of anything. Now this is the duality, man. What you chase will always run away from you. So this is why you're in all these different girls' DMs. You're completely down bad, man. You're replying to all their sexy thirst traps with heart eye emojis. That's why they don't care about you, man. That's why they keep running away from you. They actually don't want that. They want the guy who does not give them attention. They want the guy who runs away from them. They want the guy who ghosts them, who blocks them. I'm not even kidding you, man. Like, I do this stuff all the time. Like, you have to be completely uninterested, but very interested at the same time. Now, what this means is that you show a little bit of interest, you pull them in a little bit, say, hey, I'm interested in you, but then you pull away and you just become aloof. And now, once you start doing this, man, it can feel a little bit unnatural, but here's the thing. You are actually chasing your dreams. You are chasing your goals. And now, for me, I'm not trying to play a game with these women. I'm not trying to do anything because I'm just focused on what I want to do. I'm focused on my future, man. I'm focused on my goals. And so whenever you focus on your goals, you focus on your future, you don't put them on the pedestal. Instead, you are on the pedestal, your goals, your future, everything that you want to accomplish in this life. That's what's on the pedestal. So once you do that, man, they will start chasing you because you are the prize. You are not like any other man. So yeah, that is phase 3, essentially. Do not chase them and make them chase you. It's the duality. You are breaking that cycle straight from the source, okay? A little bit of spirituality too. Okay guys, if you enjoyed that video, I would love if you hit a like on this video to push it out into the YouTube algorithm. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. And now if you want to become a high value man and build your physique and get fucking shredded, then hit the link in the description box to schedule a free consultation with me for online personal training. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I love each and every one of you guys. Do not end up down bad. Do not end up as a simp. Always be authentic. Always be yourself. And always do not chase them, my guy. Love you guys. Peace.